Hello everyone! On today's episode we're going to explore a castle. This castle is from the 1200s. It was rebuilt in the 16 and 1700s. In 1880 it was bought by the Holy St. Joseph Brothers and Sisters and turned into a convent. From the 1910 it was used to nurse women. After that, around the 1950s, it was used as a school care center for handicapped children. Rumors go, a lot of these children were murdered in the 1950s, but this was never proven, so I don't know if this was true. And in 1930 they added the church. This is a beautiful church and I made a video out of it. This is my previous video. You can find the link on here and click on it if you want to see that as well. Hello everyone, we are now at the convent. We found a way in and we're going to explore this now. Let's go. Nice with Maria.
Stained glass.
Yeah.
Not a chic.
Nice. What's left of it? We can go upstairs. Really high. Turning everything gone, the whole floor is gone. Here as well. Wow, there's a big fireplace, really beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. Another stair. Another fireplace. Another fireplace, not as beautiful as the other one. Here you go to the other wing. Waiting room, bedroom, I think, the closet. So another stairs go up. I don't know if this is safe. This is the attic. I am afraid to walk. It's a really big attic. Gonna try a ghost obsession here in the attic. Look, it's going off.
Okay.
What's going off? From the phone? Yes.
Ja, dat is van de phone, ja.
Somebody here in this attic? Can you talk to us or can you touch this so the light will go off?
21.
21? 21 people in here, or is that your age? There's a hole here, so I have to be careful that I don't fall down. The doors are creaking. I don't know what is behind that door.
Ja?
Oh. We're gonna go down again. Is anybody in here? Is hier iemand?
Hello.
Hello, my name is Sandra.
Daughter.
Daughter. I'm a daughter, yes. Are you looking for your daughter? What is your name? Can you tell me your name? I wonder if this place also has a basement. No, it's a bathroom or something, or toilet. There's no graffiti in here. That surprises me. Most of these buildings have a lot
Rest
of
in
graffiti.
peace.
Rest in peace. Yeah, you should rest in peace.
Wat koud. Asbest.
Asbestos. Yeah, there are probably a lot of asbestos in here, but look, it's on the door as well. Verboden toegang asbest.
Ja.
There's probably a lot of asbestos in here, but
Keep going.
keep going, yeah. We are keep going. You want us to leave? You don't want us here? Look at the beautiful door with the cross. So beautiful ceilings. chimney. And oh yeah, I was looking at this beautiful door. Here's even a safe still here in the wall. They are tearing this apart. There's even a cap for your mouth. Look. I think they are working here, so. Here's the basement. I'm gonna take my lights because it is dark.
Dat is wel beton.
Are you gonna go first?
Ja, ik zit een beetje donker.
Just want to see what is in the basement. Oh God, you have to. That's all water. No, we're not gonna go in there. It's all all water in there. No, I'm not gonna go in there. It's all water. So watch your head. No, I don't want to swim. Too bad. Finally find the basement and then it's all underwater. This is really beautiful with all the wooden walls. Really beautiful made. All the carvings in it. Really beautiful all this. Someone draw a man on here. I'm not sure who that is. Really creepy walls here, creepy building. What's this? Oh, it's only storage. if we got something before we go. I'm gonna put this here. And get the motion capture balls. Put one here. And one here. We need echo.
I say,
I'm going to turn it on too hard because it makes a lot of echo in here and we don't want to get caught, of course. Someone in here? So standing by the window because people will see. Can you go near one of these? Noises here, but it's probably from outside
Ja, dat is wel ons.
or from the wind. The wind makes the doors collapse. So, can you make a noise for us? Can you go near one of these so the light will go off? And try another ghost tube. Maybe we get something.
What is that?
This is a device, you can talk through this. Who are you? Are you one of the nuns from this building? I guess there lived a lot of nuns here, because this is a convent. Can you make a noise like this? Or can you make one of these go off? If you do that, we will go. Okay, thank you. So we will pack up, get everything, and we're gonna get home. It was an interesting location. This one and the church that was beside it. I hope we got something on camera or on the noise audio equipment. We're gonna go home now. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for more videos to come. Until then, till next time, bye!